Lesson 2. Learning to avoid holding your breath.
Focus now on your tongue being on the roof of your mouth. If you put your tongue straight up or you say the word L, will be where your tongue will touch the roof of your mouth. How can you keep your tongue on the roof of your mouth? Relax your tongue and relax your whole face. You'll notice that as you're breathing, you may feel a lot of energy in your head or a lot of heat in your head, which can come from too much blood not draining out of your head. So as you breathe, on each exhale, let the sense of heat leave your head and flow out your nose and down your body. Relaxing the inside of your brain, releasing the heat that's inside your brain and your face and all your blood vessels. Take a full, complete breath now. A complete breath consists of a smooth inhale and exhale with no holding of the breath whatsoever after the end of either the inhale or the exhale. No holding of the breath whatsoever. Gradually, you want to make your breath longer and longer, but even more important, you want to make your breath more and more relaxed. Feel now how when you breathe your nerves tense up or your nerves relax. Allow your nerves to release every time you exhale. When you inhale, let your nerves energize in your body, refreshing and awakening them. And when you exhale, let the tension out of your nerves and let the muscles of your body relax. Very often, we find that when we breathe, emotions begin to happen. Do you feel in the tension of your breath anger or fear or sadness or grief or any other emotion? Anything you may not have paid attention to for a long time. Gradually, and to the best of your ability, allow each breath to become soft and relaxed and quiet and continuous, allowing your nerves and your mind to relax with each breath.